Duplex.
This stop name is Duplex. Next stop is Bir Hakim, where I have to get down to go Bir Hakim.
Bir Hakem, Tour Eiffel.
I have to get down at this stop. So this is the train number 6. Metro number 6 I have taken from Nation to come here to go to Eiffel Tower. So this is Bir Hakim, Tour Eiffel, you can see. Eiffel Tower, I have to go straight. So this is the Paris metro stop. Looks beautiful. Every metro stop is like this. See, Bir Hakim, Tour Eiffel.
Assurez-vous de ne jamais oublier vos sacs de bagages. Merci.
Please ensure you take all your possessions with you. Thank you.
Eiffel Tower left side. So I have to go left for Eiffel Tower. So this is the exit. I'm feeling hungry. I will have something in this beautiful cafe. So at least bread toast or anything like that. So it is breakfast available. I can see beautiful Eiffel Tower just after metro stop. So this is a metro stop. I had one more croissant there. So that is a metro stop. I am coming from that place. So now I am going towards Eiffel Tower. I hope it is not busy to get a ticket. A lot of people are going. I would have come in the morning, but it was delayed. So this is not statue, is a man. Tried to book ticket online 3 weeks back, but they are not available. So now I am going this way, non-ticket holders. So yeah, this is the queue. I would have come in the morning. So I am already 1 hour late. I went to a different place using RER. I was exploring RER. This is the queue. See. So that's why we have to come early morning, like 9 o'clock. So this is Eiffel Tower. It's heavy rush. It will take 2-3 hours. So they told me to come at 2 p.m. I will see, because I already went up in the year 2005. So it is just nothing. Just we go up and we can see entire Paris. So Paris we can visit from La Défense and any rooftop restaurants. I don't want to wait in this queue for hours together. So it is boring and it is tiresome.
No problem. I was speaking with the telephone. قلت انا شو رايك قلت هذا من دبي ابغى خير تاني ده ابغى خالد قصي هذا اللي جاي نوم شي نم جامع عادي يعرف روتين.
This is beautiful, awesome, excellent Eiffel Tower in center of Paris. So today is 16th of May 2025 and it is heavy rush. You can see the people waiting in the queues to go up. So it will take 2-3 hours. So either we have to come early in the morning like 9:30, 9 or 8:30. Lifts will start at 9:30, or we have to come in the afternoon like 2 p.m. So I will again come in the afternoon. I will check my luck. taken ticket here. It took almost like 45 minutes to 1 hour in the queue. So now I'm going to, I have taken top ticket, go to top. So it is 27 euros. So I used my credit card. So this is the entrance. I think first 2 floors I have to take stairs, and then so this is the lift. Sorry, this is the step. These are the steps. So I am taking to go up. So after going 2 floors, so I can take lift. So this is mix. So if it from ground floor also we can take lift, but there is a big queue for that. So that's why I am decided to take this route. And I never took steps to go to Eiffel Tower. This is the first time I am taking steps. See, they are all iron grill. Second floor. First floor is finished. This is first floor, not that one. There's almost like hundreds of steps to reach first floor. We have a beautiful view from here. Then we have to go second floor using steps. This is the view from first floor of Eiffel Tower. First floor means not first floor. There are several floors, but this is called first floor here. You can see how high, how deep it was. So I took steps to come here all the way from ground floor. You can see entire Seine river. You can see river cruising by the boats, ferries. You can see also see Olympic symbol. You can see those all buildings, skyscrapers. It is La Defense. The area La Defense, it is all banks, financial companies, everything. Different paintings by the artists of Eiffel Tower. Excellent paintings. So they are rough sketches, pure photographs, paintings, photographs in the night. So you can see
Let's cook.
beautiful night photographs. You can see the beautiful gardens close to surrounded by Eiffel Tower. Gardens surrounding Eiffel Tower, sorry. Beautiful gardens. Excellent. See how long it is. It will take so much time to spend and to walk in this garden. So whole day, we need a whole day to enjoy Eiffel Tower. So we can have lunch, breakfast, dinner, everything here. In 20 minutes the first stage. Now I have to take steps to go to second stage. Second floor means it is not 15-20 steps. There will be hundreds of steps. So yeah, I have to take all these steps. See, all these steps. There are so many levels. Each staircase is like 16-17 steps. Like that we have so many staircases. See, this is third one. So I have to take this stair like this, several staircases to go to. I'm coming all the way from the bottom. See the stairs. There are several, maybe 60, 70 spiral steps like this. CN River. It's from second floor. See the beautiful landscape garden. Excellent. They are still extending it. So it will take hours together to spend. Again in one more queue to go top floor visit. So it might take 10-15 minutes. You can see top. So this is the second level. So I am going to top level. These are the lifts to go summit level. This is the ticket, 27 euros to go top. Thank you.
Please keep going to the back, please. Can you go forward? Avancez plus.
Lift here. So to go top. So all are waiting. It is going up.
Sorry.
With beautiful views.
What am I doing? What am I blocking? I'm just trying to look.
See how it is going up to top level. So there are no steps to go to top summit, top level. So we have to take only lift.